All right, some big breaking news coming in, and this regarding the JNU sedition case. The Delhi police informed the court that they are yet to get prosecution sanction in this case. The hearing in this case has been adjourned to 28th of February after, remember, the court had given 10 days to Delhi police to get the prosecution, but they have alleged that they still do not have the permission from the Home Department. All right, that of course being the latest, they're coming in at this point. The Delhi government yet to give the go-ahead to the Delhi police to prosecute Kanhaiya Kumar, Umar Khalid and Anirban Bhattacharya for sedition. A day before, a city court was set to hear the charge sheet against 10 people, including the 3 former Jawaharlal Nehru University student leaders, for allegedly shouting anti-national slogans in 2016. Now it seems that there is an impasse that has been reached, with the police saying that they are still awaiting the government not to prosecute. This, of course, being the latest, they're coming in at this point. The Delhi government official said that the police had sent a copy of the charge sheet to the Home Department just 2 hours before they submitted in the court. So we are looking at a fresh case of a face-off of sorts between the Delhi police and the government over this entire JNU sedition case. On one hand, where the police is saying that they had 10 days to get prosecution sanction from the Home Department, and so far they are still waiting for a go-ahead from the Home Department. We are also listening to how the Delhi government officials have said that the police had sent the copy of the charge sheet to the Home Department barely 2 hours before they submitted in court, and that is the reason now the case is now to be heard next on 28th of February. This is of course the latest they're coming in the JNU sedition case. At this point, we'll have to wait for more details. They're coming out. Remember, the Home Minister was yet to approve or decline the prosecution sanction. The police need to proceed with the court in this case. The court will take cognizance of the charge sheet and begin the process to frame charges only after the Delhi government's green light.